So this will be a speed test between the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now the iPhone 11 Pro Max, this one has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, iOS 13 in this pretty cool midnight green colorway, so you can see. Shaver camera setup and all, or the fidget spinner camera setup, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if I can actually get used to that. And on the right, of course, we have the OnePlus 7 Pro. This one has the Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM on this bad chicken, Android 9, and the latest version of its Oxygen OS skin, as you can see, in this beautiful blue. Check that out. Both look pretty cool in their own right. A little bit more of a sheen here on the OnePlus. Very nice. All right, turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Who's gonna win this? Let's find out in a few seconds. OnePlus or the Apple? Which one will win the boot up right now? Let's see. Oh, OnePlus? Oh, I don't know. Very close. You guys are the judges on that one. Pretty much identical though, if you really think about it. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to where all my apps are. And as you can see, no recent items on the OnePlus 7 Pro and on the 11 Pro Max. As you can see, everything has been cleared in the background. All caches have been cleared. Caches have been cleared from the browser when we do the browsing test. So let's get started with the phone app. Very close. Messages. Identical. So let's check out the camera right now. And do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, maybe the iPhone on that one, so you can see. All right, go ahead and start the clock. Identical again. Go to the stopwatch and start that up. Let it run in the background and the browsers. All right, so what should I look for now? I don't know, let's go to GSM Arena. Why not? It's where I always go, right? GSM Arena. And let's see, click on this one. Should take us to the site directly. Oh, I don't know. We'll just go and scroll and we'll go to the desktop version. Go. I think the OnePlus is out in front. Okay, a little bit faster on the right so you can see. Do some scrolling here. Gonna pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the OnePlus, especially with its 90 Hz display. And pretty smooth as well on the iPhone. And let's see, what can I click on? Let's see, what is this? Oppo K5. Check this one out. Ooh, and again, a little bit faster on the OnePlus. These ads came up first. And then we'll go ahead and pinch. Okay, a little bit of a stutter there on the initial, when I started the zoom, a little bit of a stutter there initially on the iPhone. Not bad. Overall, browsing experience on both phones, not bad. You guys should not have any issues in terms of the speed. Calculator. Call that one a draw. Okay, now let's go to the App Store and Play Store. So you can see a little bit faster on the OnePlus. And then let's see, search my usual favorite app and let's go. And we'll click on this one. Okay, identical performance. Maybe the iPhone was a little bit quicker on that one. And we'll go ahead and install this. No, we'll just leave it there. And then let's go to Amazon right now. Identical. Maybe OnePlus a little bit quicker on that. And OnePlus again is faster on this. And then click on it again. And again, the OnePlus a little bit quicker. Let's go to eBay right now. OnePlus again. We'll click on this shoe. And we'll just leave it right there. And Mario Run, onto some games now. Let's see, loading initially on the OnePlus, and give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro on this. We'll go ahead and tap to begin. Oh, but the iPhone a little bit faster when you actually run the game, as you can see. But overall, not that big of a difference between the two. Okay, loading on both now on the Temple Run. Oh, give the win to the OnePlus on this, as you can see. Nice and fast on OnePlus. And then we'll go check out Angry Birds 2 right now. Starting up and logging in. Ooh, I think the iPhone is ahead here. I don't think the OnePlus will catch it. Nope. Give the win to the 7 Pro, 11 Pro Max on this. 7 Pro, what am I saying? This is the 7 Pro, right? Tripping, can't even talk. And let's see, where are we? Asphalt 9, let's go. Asphalt 9 Legends. I think the iPhone's ahead here. Oh, no, it wasn't. Give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Click on that. Okay, of course, we got to test out the PUBG, so you can see. Oh, did I mistouch the iPhone? I did mistouch the iPhone. My bad. All right, we'll try that one again. Go. Hearing noise from the iPhone first, loading on the iPhone. Yeah, give the win to the iPhone on this game. So you can see. All right, next up we have the Photoshop Express. A little bit faster on the right. We'll click on this one. This is an 8K image that I have on both phones. And let's see, what can I click on? I'm gonna choose white balance on both. And then let's see, can I find one? Click on flash on both. All right, go ahead and jack this up all the way. And I'm gonna click this. Okay, a little bit faster on the OnePlus 7. Ooh, the 11 Pro lagging here a little bit. There you go. Okay, save to the gallery and save to the camera roll. See which one will do this faster. Go. Oh, very close. You guys are the judges on that one. All right, social media apps, Twitter, OnePlus, okay, iPhone, a little bit of a lag there. IG, OnePlus again. WhatsApp, let's go. And again, the OnePlus. And finally, we have Snapchat. Very close. Maybe that was a draw. All right, let's check out the multitasking here, the RAM management. Everything's in the background, as you can see. All right, so OnePlus 7 Pro does have double the RAM, 8 gigs versus 4 on iOS. So let's see what happens. We're just gonna go backwards here and we'll check out the RAM management. Look for any signs of lag or stutters or anything like that. Looking good so far. Looking good. And where are we? This one. No issues. And Angry Birds 2. Okay, a little bit of a lag on the OnePlus, but still kept in RAM though. Nothing major. And then let's see, this one, Mario time on both. And then we have the eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. No changes on the TikTok app, super annoying. Calculator, good to go. Browsers, same web page, still in RAM. Check out the clock, still running in the background, as you can see. And then the camera. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this again. See which one is does it faster. Go. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 7 Pro. Messages. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand spanking new iPhone 11 or the 11 Pro or this 11 Pro Max? If you have the iPhone XS or XS Max from last year, are you gonna upgrade to this phone? If you have the original iPhone X, iPhone 8, or even iPhone 7 or iPhone 6s with the headphone jack, are you gonna upgrade to this phone. In my opinion, if you have last year's iPhone XS or XS Max, I don't really see a reason to upgrade unless if you just want to be on the latest specs with an A13 Bionic chip and that third camera in the back. Are you on team OnePlus? Rocking your brand new OnePlus 7 Pro. With this phone's 90Hz display, it offers the smoothest experience of Android. Everything just flows in this phone, going through apps, nice and fluid, super smooth. With its 8 gigs of RAM and super fast Snapdragon 855 processor, you don't really experience a lot of lag, if any, on this device. Super smooth. I love this phone. And for a cheaper price than the iPhone XS Max, this is something to consider in late 2019. So let me know what you guys thought of this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.